Okay. All right. Now, I'm filling in the box. You fill in the box with me. Here we go. All right. So the box says this. If the multiplicity is what? 1, 2, or 3. Okay. And then it says in words, what does that mean? Okay. You need to understand this. If you have an odd multiplicity, this is odd, this one's even, this one's odd. Okay. Odd multiplicity just means this. You're going to hit the x-axis, and you're going to go, did I say yes? You're going to go through. Good. You're going to go through. Go through what? The x-axis. Okay, good. All right. Now, let me just draw you a quick picture over here. You would go through like this. The graph would come down, 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 hit the x-axis, go through. Just keep going. Okay? It looks like that. Okay, but if you're even, then you're not going to go through.
You're going to bounce.
You're going to bounce. Okay. I'll just write bounces off the x-axis. Okay. What's the picture for this one? Well, just draw this. Your graph comes down, 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 down. It hits the x-axis and bounces up, 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 up. So that's what that means. Even multiplicity bounces, odd multiplicity goes through. 3 is what? Odd. So it'd be the same as 1. There's a little difference, so I'll show you. Okay, what's the difference going to be? Can I just go like this for you? Put this definition in there.
It goes lower.
Okay, well, watch this. It goes like this. Okay, it comes down, 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 and it's going to hit and go through, but watch what it does. Okay, what's the difference between goes through like this and goes through like this?
There's a turn.
Huh?
There's
There's no turn. It didn't go back up. Okay, to me, this one went through really quick, just like a line would go through. Fast. This one goes through, but does it go through fast? No, it slows down, goes through, then picks up its speed again. So it slows down. So it goes through slower. That would be multiplicity of what? 3. What do you think? Hey guys, what do you think a multiplicity of 5 would look like? It goes through, but what? Really slow. So the bigger the multiplicity, the slower it goes through. You get it?
Wait, what? Does it have to like go that many spaces?
No, Colby, I'm just kind of estimating, you know. Like 7, a multiplicity of 7 would do what? I mean, it would take more time to go through. It just would. It would just ride the x-axis. Now, what do you think a multiplicity of 4 would look like? It bounces, but is it going to bounce quick like that one? No, it would bounce what?
What?
A little slower. Just a little slower. And then a multiplicity of 6 would do what? Slower, slower. You know, it'd take its time. So the bigger the multiplicity, the slower it bounces, or the slower it goes. Okay? Does that make sense?
Sure does.
Okay, guys, you're going to graph these, and you got to have an idea of what's happening. Okay? Turn the page. No, don't turn the page. Sorry. We're on number what? 14?
Yes.
Okay. Identify the zeros, the multiplicity, and the effect on the graph of the function. Okay? Number 14. All right. I'll help you on 14. You do the next one on your own. F of x equals what? Negative x times 3x minus 2 times x plus 9 to the what? Okay. So what they want are the zeros. You ready? All right, ready? This one? Tell me when negative x is going to be 0. When you let x be? Yeah. Hey guys, if you don't remember, all you gotta do is say to yourself, when is negative x gonna be 0? Oh, divide by negative 1, negative 1. The answer is what? 0. That's why I'm saying 0. Okay. Now, what about the next factor? This one.
2/3.
2/3. Oh, good job. 2/3. How does Becca do that so quick? She what? Well, I was hoping you'd say she probably set it equal to 0 in her head, moved the 2 over, right? Got 2 divided by 3, got what? 2/3. That's how she's doing it. And she might be just doing that in her head. Are you doing that in your head?
Yes.
Okay. All right, next. X plus 9. When is that going to be 0?
Negative 9.
Negative 9. Okay, good. Now give me the what? Multiplicity. Okay, multiplicity, simple. Look at your factor. Look at the power. The power is what? 1. What's 2/3? 2. What's x plus 9? 5.
Oh,
That's the multiplicity. Multiplicity just means it counts once, it counts twice, 3, 4, 5 times. Okay? It counts. All right. Now the effect. What's the effect? All you got to say is bounces or crosses.
Bounce.
This one's a what?
I mean, that one goes through.
That's a go through. Go through. Can I just say cross? Crosses. This one?
Bounce.
That's even. Bounce. Next. What?
Cross.
Cross. Okay. Does it cross really fast or kind of slow?
Oh, I'm not slow.
This one's slower. That one would be like cross is slow because it's 5. It's bigger. Okay. You good? Do the next one. The one to the right. That's on your own. Go. The one on the right is for you. It's not for me. You get the answers before me.
Which one are you doing?
Yeah, that's not on ours.
Is that not yours?
No, we have x to the third plus 10x. I think that's squared plus 25x.
What? What?
None of it in parentheses. Oh.
Hey guys, that's not right. That is supposed to be factored for you. That is really strange. Period 1 never said that to me. Why would they not say that to me?
Because they really don't care.
Because they're sleeping still. Okay, put that up there, please. Cross yours out. Cross yours out. Because yours isn't even factored. You guys would have had to factor yours to get to this point. Okay? Sorry. Sorry, guys. Now it should make more sense to you, doesn't it? Yeah, now do it. Is that wrong on everybody's? Everybody had that wrong?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, my goodness, are they all stupid? Did you get it? All right. Some people are done. So I'm going to get going. Some people are half done and some people haven't even started. Okay, when is this number going to be 0? This x squared? Yeah. And if you can't do it in your head, just solve it. Square root, when x is what? 0. That's it. Now the other two are fairly easy. When is x minus 1, 0? When x is 1. When is x plus 5, 0? Negative 5. Got it. The multiplicity is just the power of the factor. What's the power of this factor? 2, 4, 1. 2, 4, 1. Now the effect on the graph. When we do graph them, what are we going to do when we hit this 0? We're going to, guys, it's even. That means you're going to bounce on the x-axis. You're going to go down, up. This one, bounce. And are you going to bounce the same as this one? No, a little what? Bounce slower, okay. Slower than this one. Okay, and then 1. What? Crosses. It crosses. Does it cross fast or kind of slow? Fast, because it's a 1. 1 means it crosses just like a line would cross. Yeah, that's it. Got it?
Yeah.
Next. The little sentence there says this. Number 16. A polynomial function has a 0 at 4, multiplicity 3, and 0, multiplicity 1. Write a function in standard form. Did you hear me? Standard form. Cross it out. Factored form. Write a polynomial, write a function in factored form that could represent this function, and then boxing it. Okay? So we're going to do this one together. Okay, here we go. You have a 0 of what? 4 and a 0 of what? 0. What's the multiplicity on this one? 3. So this one, okay, gets multiplicity of 3. This one gets multiplicity of what? 1. Okay? And your job is to write a function. F of x equals, and I want this function to be in what form? Factored form. I do not want standard. Okay. So factored form, let's do it. Well, if this is a 0, guys, help me. What factor did it come from?
Negative 4.
No. Not negative 4.
2 and 2.
It's 4
No.
minus, no?
I mean, here's what I hear. I hear negative 4. That's what he says.
I hear 4 minus 4.
No.
X minus 4?
What?
X minus 4.
There you go. We got it. X minus 4 is where it came from. Guys, if you have a factor of x minus 4, when's x minus 4 0? When x is 4, right? Next, when you have a 0 that happens to be 0, what factor did that come from?
X minus 0.
There you go. X minus 0.
Can it also be like x squared? In the front?
Well, it can't be x squared because I'll show you in a second. But you guys, do you get what he said? X minus 0. When is this going to be 0? When you let x be what?
0.
Can it also be
Bam.
plus?
0. Okay, what?
It could also be plus.
It can also be plus. But here's my question. Do I even have to have the 0 there?
No.
Could I just do this? Could I just go, plain simple x?
Yes.
Yeah. When is x going to be 0?
0.
When I let x be 0. Okay. So really, you didn't even need the parentheses. You could have just said what? Simply what? Times x. There. That function is good. But there's a problem. The multiplicity is what? 3 on this one, so you need to put a what here? 3. The multiplicity is what here? 1. So you need what? Do I need to put the 1? No. If you want the 1, put the 1. If you don't want the 1, don't put the 1. There's the answer, guys. You just, listen, you were told the zeros, you were told the multiplicities, and you wrote the function that matches the information. Brian, am I giving you a headache? You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Next, you do the same thing, but you get pictures. Look below, you get pictures, all right? I'll do the first one with you. You do the second one on your own. Here we go. Okay. It is a wicked-looking picture, isn't it? All right, here we go. It goes up, bounces, down, goes through, up, goes through, bounces, down. Okay. That's it. Guess what? I want you to write the function that matches this. Ready? F of x equals. Well, you know what's super important to you? You better know your zeros. Where are your zeros? Zeros are the x-intercepts. So look, right there's one. Anybody know that answer? What is that zero? 6? I don't think it's 6.
Negative 6.
Okay, negative I would think is probably better. Everybody agree it's negative 6?
Yes.
Okay, how about the next one? This one right here, right here.
Negative 2.
Negative what?
2.
2? I think it's negative.
Negative 3.
I think it's negative 3. It kind of crawls. It's kind of slow, but it crawls, and I think it hits negative 3. Next.
1,
1. Next.
4,
Okay, next.
7.
Okay. Guess what? We have all the zeros. Okay. Why are the zeros important to you? Because zeros come from factors. And when you write your equation, write it in factor form. Okay, you ready? Negative 6, where did it come from? What factor? X. What? Plus 6, yes. Good. Next factor, this one. Negative 3. Where did it come from?
X plus 3.
X plus 3. Guys, are you doing this in your head? Like, are you saying x plus 6, when is that 0? When x is negative 6, right there. When x is negative 3, right there. What about 1? Where did 1 come from? What factor?
X minus 1.
X minus 1. This one comes from x minus 1. Next. X what?
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Next. X minus 7. Got it. We're done with the factors. You know what we're missing? Multiplicity. What's the multiplicity? All right, you ready? Stick with me, please. Not a time to drift. Ready? Here I go. I'm following the graph up, and it goes through, or do I bounce?
Bounce.
Okay, if you bounce, it's even multiplicity. It's 2, 4, 6, 8. Did I bounce quick, slow, or terribly slow?
Quick.
That's a quick bounce. I mean, that's just, I go up, I hit it, I come down. To me, that's a low multiplicity of what?
2.
2.
Are they all 2 then?
No. Well, maybe in this one, yes, but they're not always 2. Here I go, down, then I turn the corner and I head for the next 0. Did I go through really quick or kind of
slow.
can you see it kind of riding the x-axis? And then it turns the corner. So is this a 1, a 3, a 5, and a 7?
5.
That would be your guess.
3.
I would say a 3. If you roll 5, I would not count it wrong. I'm just saying, I think this is more of a 3. Okay. Next, I hit 1. What am I doing to 1? I went through. It's odd. But I went through kind of fast, didn't I? 1. Okay. Next, I hit 4. Did I bounce? Did I bounce quick? Yeah, I hit it and I came down. That's a 2. Okay, and then next, I hit and I came down. That's a 2. Got it. Done. Ooh, it's not right. I forgot something. Guys, are you looking at the end behavior? Yeah, it's a down. If it's a down, the whole function's negative. How do I make the whole function negative?
Negative x.
No, I just put a negative. Oh, there. You know what that is? That's negative what? It's just negative 1 times the whole function, right? The negative would make it go down. I forgot to do that in period 1. I didn't see the down. Okay, sign out. You don't make appointments during math.
You sure
You
don't
do
even,
it any
you
other
don't
time
even
of the day.
understand what's going on with
Not
me?
math. Never math. Just kidding, Brittany. Just kidding.
I've been doing
Okay, guys, do the next one. Go. Brittany, this is on YouTube. Come on, listen to the rest, okay?
Mr. Do you hate math?
Mr. Just say
Oh.
Steve. No space. No space. Hey,
No space. Okay. Yeah.
on YouTube, I'm just Steve.
Okay.
Just say, go.
Yeah, on, name it. Only in.
Go, Brittany, you gotta go. Let everybody else work. Guys, work on the next one. You can't be happy. You know what? This is so important. I know. Here we go. Guys, this doesn't take long. Get your zeros first. Do I have my zeros right? -4, -1, 2, 4?
Yep.
Okay. Okay, so zeros come from factors, right? So you would write 4 zeros come from 4 factors. Okay, this 0, -4, came from what factor? X what? X plus 4. This one came from what? X plus 1. This one came from what? X minus 2. This one came from minus 4. Guys, all these arrows are kind of messing you up, I suppose. I better get rid of them. Okay, and this one. Okay, so now the graph. Okay, so now you have the equation, but you don't have the multiplicities. Ready? Get on the graph with your pencil and just start going. Ready? Did I go through or bounce? I went through fast or slow? Pretty fast. I go with a 1. Remember, if you go through, it's odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. All right, ready? Next. I can hit the next 0, and I what? Bounce pretty quick, so you go with hopefully a 2. The next 0. I went through pretty quick. I go with a 1. I mean, you could put 3. Yeah, I don't think it's right, but it's your judgment versus mine. All right, ready? Next. Go through. If you go through, it's odd. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah, you went through pretty fast. 1. Good. Okay, talk to me. What about the end behavior? Down on the left, up on the right. It looks like this. Is that a line going up or down? That line goes up. So it should be what? Positive or negative? Positive. Oh, guess what? You don't have to put a positive. If you leave it blank, it's positive. So we got it right now. Just quick, can you tell me something about end behavior down, up? Is this an odd or an even? Odd or an even polynomial?
Odd.
Odd. You guys, this is an odd polynomial. Now, you want to double check yourself and make sure you're right? Go like this. Ready? If you just add up your multiplicities, 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1, what do they all add up to? 5. 1 plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 is, this is a 5th degree polynomial. Is 5th odd? Yeah. I know I have my multiplicities good. Okay? I'm done. Ready to turn? Okay, the next page, we're gonna, relative minimums, relative maximums. Can I just say this to you? A maximum on your graph is where the graph goes up, up, up to the top of the hill. That's a max. What do you think a minimum is? The bottom of the valley down here. Okay? Is that good enough?
Yes.
Next page. Ready? It says write the equation for the graph in vector form, and you get this picture right here. I'll show you. It looks like this. Doesn't it look like that?
Yep.
Okay. You have to write. We have already done this. Go. I shouldn't even have to tell you how to do it. We just did 2 of them. Now they are asking for a couple of things: degree and behavior. So I'm going to write these down. Yeah. There's two things up here that are very obvious. Well, actually, three things. Zeros are obvious. What are they? Okay, so watch. Here I'll put -2, 0, and 3. Okay? What else is pretty obvious? Turns. How many times did it turn? I heard 3 out there. No, it didn't turn 2. 2. 1 turn, 2 turns. 2. Okay. What else is pretty obvious? The end behavior. What does it do on the left? Down. What does it do on the right? Up. Down. Up. I mean, just draw a picture. Okay. Now, the relative maximum minimum, I didn't even hardly talk about it, but I did say the top of the hill, the bottom of the valley. So guys, what's the max here? Look over here. Go this way. What's that number? 4. So you'd say my maximum is as high as y equals 4. My minimum is right here. -8. Okay. Got it. Now, the one thing that might not be that obvious is the degree. Would you say odd or even? Well, odd functions act like lines, even functions act like parabolas.
Odd.
I'd say odd too. But let's try to figure out what it is, but let's not figure it out until we're done writing the equation. So let's write the equation. Here we go. F of x equals, okay, what factors did all these zeros come from? Where did this come from? X plus 2. Where did this come from?
X plus 1 or X plus 0.
X plus 0. But do you have to say plus 0? It's X. Okay, where did this one come from? X minus 3. Got it. Now, you know what you don't have?
I'm not gonna be here.
Okay, we take a test today.
Okay, I can make it up Monday.
Okay, all right. I'm not here Monday. So,
Wednesday?
no, just listen. Bring your phone and your earbuds and you'll listen to a lesson on me. And then I'm here at 2:30.
Wednesday.
I'm here at 2:30.
Today.
No, Monday.
Okay.
So then come in and take the test at 2:00. Okay. I'm sorry. What's the multiplicity? Guys, look. Watch. Did I go through or did I bounce? I went through pretty quick. I go with 1. Did I go through or bounce? I went through pretty quick. 1. And I went through pretty quick. 1. They're all 1s. How do you know your degree now?
You add them up.
You add them up. Add the multiplicity. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is what?
3.
Hey, you got a what?
Right.
A 3rd degree. All knowing. Just add your multiplicities and you can get your degree. Okay? All right. Now here is what you're doing on Monday. Turn the page. You got 2 more to do. You need to graph this.
Fantastic.
Yes, but now this is the most important page. So if you can hang on there, Becca, do it. Otherwise, go.
My bladder's gonna blow.
Okay. Sketch. You need to sketch this. P of x equals x times x minus 2 times x plus 4. All right. Before you sketch, write this down. write this down. What's the degree? What's the degree? What is the end behavior? I want you to do this on Monday when you come to class. These things get written down. How many turns? And the zeros, right? And with the zeros, you want the multiple. You want the multiplicity with it, okay? So these are the, what is that, 5 things? Okay, so these are the 5 things you need to know to graph. Okay, are you ready?
Sure.
Degree, what degree is it?
Third.
How do you know?
Because they're all one.
The multiplicities are all 1, so this is what Alexis is doing. She's taking the multiplicities. 1 plus 1 plus 1 makes what? Third. It's a third degree polynomial. Now, does that help you when it comes to end behavior? Odd functions act like parabolas, or do they act like lines?
Lines.
Lines. Is either line going this way, up, or line going this way, down?
I'm going up.
Because
Positive.
positive, it's going to go up, down on the left, up on the right. See, these are clues, guys. These are all clues. Terms. I talked about this yesterday.
N minus 1.
N minus 1, which means take your degree, third degree, subtract 1. 2. It could turn 2 times or
0.
0. You just subtract 2. 2 minus 2 is 0. So it's going to turn 2 times or it won't turn it up. Zeros. What are the zeros?
0 to -4.
Yeah, that one's going to be 0 when you let it be 0. That one 2. And that one -4. Multiplicities are what? 1, 1, 1, no, ones. Which to you means you're going to hit the 0 and bounce, or go through.
Go through.
You're going to go through, and you're going to go through fast. You're not going to waste time. Okay, so let's go graph the zeros. Here they are, 0, 4, -4, and 2. Okay, there you are. Get them on paper. Okay, now, here's the deal. You write, as soon as you get the zeros on the paper, you have to do the end behavior. Okay, the end behavior is down on the left. So that would mean when you hit the left 0, you're going to go where? Down. When you hit the right 0, you're going to go where? Up. You got that? That's what it should look like right now. Now, the rest of the graph is all about multiplicity. You ready? When you hit -4, do you bounce or go through? Look right here.
Go through.
Go through. So I'm going to go through. And now I got to curl the corner and come back and hit the next 0. But the question becomes, do I bounce or go through?
Go through.
Right here. Multiplicity 1. Go through. Okay, go through. And then I got to turn the corner and come back to the 2. And do I go through?
Yes.
Or do I bounce? Well, if you have multiplicity as odd, 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 you're going through every time. So you go through. And there you go. Now here's the only thing that will be different. If you look at your neighbor's graph right now, your neighbor's graph might not look like your graph. You know why? Because the word is sketch. It's a sketch of the graph. So what's different about your neighbor and you? Probably this. Your neighbor could have done this. Up, goes through, turns the corner, comes down, goes through, turns the corner, comes up. So they could have the small hill, the little valleys. Or your neighbor could have done what? They could have went through way up here, turned the corner, hits the 0, comes way down here, turns the corner. Okay? So what don't you really know? The depth of the valley, or the
max or
the height of the mountain. You don't know. You're guessing. You're just guessing. Next week you won't guess.
you don't know.
You'll know it because I'm going to teach you how to know it. Okay? Okay. Do the next one. And the next one has got more multiplicities like bounces and stuff going on, so be careful. Can I erase this? Or can I go to the next slide? Okay. This is our last one.
Where is he? Oh,
Some of you have your arms crossed. That's not good. You should be writing stuff like this down. I said, figure out the degree. Figure out the end behavior. Figure out how many turns it might take. That doesn't. Figure out your zeros. Figure out your multiplicity. For the zeros and the multiplicity, I made a quick little table. I just like to see it. I like to see tables. How's that look? Are you okay with my zeros and my multiplicity? The time is ticking away. I gotta get this done. Are you okay with this?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. Would somebody out there tell me how to find this degree of thing? How do you find degree? How do you find the degree? Add the multiplicities. 3 plus 2 plus 1 makes
6.
Okay, you have a 6-degree polynomial which is even. Even goes up, up, or down, down.
Up, up.
How do you know up, up?
It's not negative.
Yeah, it's positive. Okay, so it's up on the left and up on the right. There you go. The turns it could take. It could take, how many turns? Take your 6, take your degree, subtract 1. You could take what?
5,
Or
3.
1. 5, 3, or 1. Yep. Now guys, I have all the information up here. I just have to go quick because the bell's going to ring. Here's your first one. Here's your second 0. And here, oh, -5 is back here. Okay. You know it goes up, up, so you should be going like this. Up on the left, up on the right. The question becomes bouncing and, you know, it goes through. At -5, it goes what? Does it go through or bounce? Goes through. Okay? Curls the corner, comes back up. At -3, it what? Look at this one. Does it go through or does it bounce? It goes through, but it goes through what? Slower. Okay. So make it go slow. Then it comes up. Then it turns and it goes to the 2. At 2, it what? What's a 2 mean here? Bounces. There it is. We got it. Right at the bell. There's no homework today. Mr. Coach will be here. Bring your cell phones with your ear. No, don't do that. I'm sorry. He'll just play it. He'll just play it. Have a good weekend. Krista, you're the only one I'm waiting for on that quiz. So if you could get it in.
Yeah.
Would like
Just to finish off with the turns and stuff. The parts that we didn't get
Okay, next
to
game.
class.
I don't know.
So just work on
I
that.
think it's the next
But that should be more.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Yeah, it's $5 and it's for
What is it? What I'm saying is $5 all you need, and then per person.
$5.
Maybe. I don't know. I just don't know, I think next weekend we're.
Lorena Midgard,
Yeah.
please come to the main office. Lorena Midgard, please come to the main office.
That's the only thing, if I knew it was tomorrow, I know I'm in town, partners.
So Trevor was, he brought all these news, and then Carter was really close, and then he started yelling. Just sitting there looking